Gia, what's going on? So I'm here in Brazil, in Goiânia, and gonna take you on a tour of where I'm staying right now. Remember, brain, the place you're staying, and we're gonna start in the balcony. Yes, that is beautiful. So right here's my dinner table. This is where I usually eat my food, check out the view, relax. You know, this is where you eat. The Estevan, he was my plant. It rains a lot at the moment, and I let him have a little bit of drizzle, some water, and he flew away. Here's my unicycle. So in the mornings, I like to take out these spaces and create this giant space right here just to practice my idling and my backwards riding. And sometimes I actually bring that unicycle over there. You can see there's a park right there. That's the park right there. And I'll ride around. It's about 2 kilometers. I'm actually pretty proud of myself because I could finally ride 2 kilometers on a unicycle. But I was noticing I still need to work on some fundamentals like backwards riding and idling and really perfect that before I start creating imbalances in my normal riding. So let's continue the tour. And this table's absolutely useless, and I wish I could just get rid of it. But that's one of the first things I do when I arrive somewhere is I rearrange the furniture. Because when I first arrived here, I was just like, nah. First thing in the morning, I'm moving everything. So I rearranged everything. Before, there was no space. There was a couch right here, TV right there. The table was right there. You can't fit 4 rooms in 1 room. That's just gonna make you claustrophobic and messy as well. Let's get started with the tour. So we're gonna start actually in the hall. This is the hall. I'm on the first floor. So then you come into the house. This is the kitchen. So one thing, they don't really give me many dishes. So they give me enough for maybe 2 people. But that just means always keep your dishes clean so you're just ready to cook and eat whenever you feel like it without much effort. Got this amazing speaker. Whew, the speakers blew out on this, but it's a blessing because this thing is always playing music and it's also just great ambience. But yeah, you got just the camera right there, just as decoration. And then here we have the activity center. So here, always keep your activities as instant triggers. So music, for one, is a trigger. So when a certain song comes on, it makes you activate what activity that goes with it. So I have many different kinds of genres and playlists I like to listen to. So here we have the bedding bow. This is where you play my beautiful bedding bow. We have books, guitars. You got the juggling. And we have the Rubik's Cube and another speaker just for on the go. Here I do my posture therapy, and it's really just great just to have it around just in case you just want to do some movements as well. Of course, the space. Always keep it space. Your house is your place. It's your place of comfort. It's the place where you're not in any influences anymore, especially if you live alone. Because humans influence, whether they're strangers or significant others, anybody, they influence you. So if you have your own space, you create such a vibe where it's what you want to do, regardless of what you do outside. You may train dancing, you may train swimming, you may train capoeira, but when it's your time and it's end of the day, what do you like to actually do? A lot of people like to watch TV. Look, I took away the TV. TV's under there because it's useless. I'm not into a sedentary lifestyle. Let's continue on. We have the soccer ball right here for some juggling, the feet. And then we have the bed. It's a studio, so it's small. And then here we have this amazing mirror where you could actually check out see where you are, make sure your form is properly. Also singing, to check out make sure your jaw's dropped, relax. You know, the chin's not in too much so you can work on your vocals. We have the bathroom. Just the amenities, toilet, shower, nothing too fancy. The only thing really missing here, I feel, is a swimming pool. It's just as a thing about, same with all these activities, you need to have it in your place, to really enjoy playing in the water, because it's really fun just going in there, just pretending you're a fish, holding your breath, making circles, doing flips. It's just fun time. It's playtime, you know. It's like there's training time and there's playtime. And you have to train in order to enjoy your playtime, because we adapt very quickly. And when you train, you're slowly getting better. So then during your playtime, you could realize those changes and then have more fun with it. Yeah, that's my place. This is my place right here. I'm right in the center of Goiânia. Until next time, see you later. Peace.